15 August Bharat Hayokmani Shalno Rakshawi Bishi Brum Brum Nihai Taklai Bishu Bahino Believers Eastern Church Agartala Diocese ni Bakhakti Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Sabsutra Khlaimani Tang Botang Yafawar Nahar Jakha Taklai Mandai Burakha O Khlaijakmani Hai Safai Abhiyan Yang Khumulung Dukmali Hatio Bahino Khumulung Marketo Bahino Sabsutra Khlaimani Tang Botang Yafawar Naharka Sabsutra Tongmani Bishingtei Shaka Ham Tongnani O Wansuk Botang Teino Bharat Hayok Samani Shal O Shalno Riksawi Tini Khumulungni Dukmali Hati Amchai Rogo Sabsutra Khlaijaka Believers Eastern Church Agartala Diocese ni Bakhakti Tinini Sabsutra Khlaimani Teino Agartala Diocese ni Ti Kok Shaka Father Sujit Deborma Koktuma Thumnerokni Buskango
Actually, Believers Eastern Church Agartala Diocese Singoro Khumulung district ningi Singoro tini jotono Father people evangelist to believers milioi Tinoro Dukmali Hatino clean Kalemuni tin Pungitimi Tagutin Songpayako and getting complete case and Kanyang one two lessons some quiet on Layo also. Okay, Oinazaga was in Kalajango, okay, Mia was in Kaika Buraka district or Buraka Hospital, PHC, and get Tini High Tewisa Mandayo Bahana Tinaboro Hotel Kalaitango, our Kalai Tabajak, and get Simutina or Dukmali Hatiwa, Simutin Pal, Kissing Milli in order to attack some Kalaitango. More catching to the Kumulong Amta in Bagay Simi, Tini, especially in men in Claimani Samun Gankai, Independence Day Upolakos and some Claimani. Baskanija, 15 August ni Bagay, Kanato 15 August, and Gabon Opolakos and the some Claimanita. Since daily boson in some Claitango, since daily some Clayo, Dura Zagaragos, and Tangarogo, in hospitals in clean of Kaleka, or an in communal hospital was in clean Clayo, Tangarogo. Take a more tire was in clean Kalatonga. And Chinamunkan, Deborah Sujit Deborma, and I believe Western Church Agula Diocese ni
Mandai Amchai Khumulung Amchai Te Jirani Amchani Lukurok ni Bagay Koktuma Kaham Mandai Amchai Khumulung Jirania Amchani Lukurok Tabuk Hakchal Hakchalo Tangai Shak Naijangani Nanglak Gana Wono Shak Naijagi Man by Shinai Mandai Hospital Terminini Shontus Medical Holono Hastini Monganang Surgeon Dr. Jaswin Deborma by Shak Naijagi Manchinai Lukurok Norogni Bohokni Bemar Thikimani Shak Deramani Kasachamani Te Tumor Ungjagmani Stone Ungjagmani Aborok no Karibo Kabangma Bemar Ungjagmani Rock Naijagi Man by Nei Dr. Jaswin Deborma by Abno Karibo Haino Dr. Amans Deborma consulted spine and orthopedic surgeon Bekereng ni Jingjal Bekereng Baimani Bekereng Jurari Mani Bishma Shamanite Bishmani Potre Pod Bemarok Naijagi Manai spine surgery complex trauma arthroscopy tei kubuni bemarok borok naijagi manbainai tei akorok tei bo kaham sawi manna muchungkhe subai sukrubi lukorok saimano ni muchungkhe Santosh Medical Hall by Kwrwngwi mannano Santosh Medical Hall by Kwrwngnani bagi koktuk rijakha koktuk number 9862129491 tei kaisa koktuk number 7005313 lukorok o number o call khlaimani bisingtoino teibo kaham khlaiwi saimannai Dr. Bo Shala Achuk Bo Jorao nai o koktuni bisingtoino call khlaiwi Kwrwngwi manbainai.